Okay, I just cranked it up. Let's see here. If I can get this thing to move in while I'm holding the phone in my hand. And I plan to be on the golf course. Or at least the, hold on a second. On the golf course with this thing. Of course, it has a Lexus key. Oh. Back and front lights work. So, I bought this for myself. I know that's goofy, but we're going to have a ball on the golf course, back in the backyard, just driving this sucker, getting some exercise, I guess. But cool, the cool part about it is these are real leather seats. Real leather. Look at there. Lexus did their thing. The back is too cute. Lights on in the back. So, yeah, really cute, really cute. I love it. So, hold on. So, this is where I'm going to be playing with it. The trail right here in the golf court, which is my backyard. So, I'm going to be walking, getting my exercise with it out here. So, can't wait, can't wait, can't wait. Cool. Bye. Oh, and let me do this. Yeah. I have my husband driving this one. I had this thing since 2009. I just got it to work again because, oh, when I turn the knob, that's how I go right or left and it put on the signal. Isn't that cool? Ew. Sorry, I'm so dizzy. I have to get that microphone up too, I see. But, yeah, my husband just bought a charger for it, so I'm gonna have a ball. I think I'm gonna do this when I come back from getting my IG done. Let me get off of here because I have to get dressed. Too cool. Wow! This thing I had since like the end of 2008 or 2009. Okay, let me get this microphone. Oh, shoot. Yeah. Okay. Cool.